In a cozy forest kitchen, something wonderful was happening on a breezy afternoon. The sunlight danced through the trees, and inside, a big pot of soup bubbled cheerfully on the stove. Bubble, bubble, bloop. Chef Pig, sporting a shiny, tall white hat and a neat apron, stood on tiptoe to see into the pot. He gave a gleeful oink and called out, "Welcome, everyone! Today, we're making the healthiest soup ever, but I can't do it alone." With a happy wiggle, Chef Pig rolled up his sleeves, raised his wooden spoon, and grinned. "I love soup. Let's cook together." One by one, animal friends scampered, waddled, and hopped into the kitchen, all carrying very special gifts. First came Bunny, bouncing with excitement, ears flopping and paws full of crunchy orange carrots. She plopped them into the pot with a flourish. "Crunchy carrots. These give you super jumping power," Bunny declared, doing a tiny hop. Next in lumbered Elephant, carrying a mountain of green broccoli balanced on his trunk. "Broccoli makes you super strong," he trumpeted gently as he dropped in each tree-shaped floret. Plop! Plop! Bluebird swooped in, wings glimmering, holding a cob of golden yellow corn. "Corn gives you super energy," she chirped, as kernels rained into the pot. Turtle shuffled in, carrying a little basket of bright red tomatoes. "Tomatoes help your super heart," he said in his slow, soft voice as he tipped them in. Plop, plop. With every colorful veggie, the soup seemed to sparkle and bubble even more, sending delicious smells drifting out into the forest. Chef Pig picked up his big wooden spoon and stirred. Stir, stir, stir. "Look at all these colors. Orange, green, yellow, and red. Amazing." Chef Pig nodded wisely. "Eating many colors helps our bodies grow," he said, pausing to sniff the lovely, healthy aroma. But just as the soup was ready, a problem popped up. The pot was enormous and much too heavy for Chef Pig to lift. Chef Pig gazed at his friends and exclaimed, "Let's work together." So Elephant braced his feet and pushed, Chef Pig grabbed the handles and lifted, Bunny hopped up to steady the lid, and Turtle wrapped his little legs around the bottom so it wouldn't wobble. 1, 2, 3. Teamwork, they all cheered. With a big heave, they carefully moved the super soup to the big kitchen table. Ta-da! The healthy soup was steaming and ready to eat. Chef Pig ladled out bowls for everyone. "Thank you," said Bunny, grinning from ear to ear. "Sharing makes it taste better," Bluebird added with a joyful flutter. Chef Pig took a sip. His eyes widened. I feel strong, jumpy, speedy, and happy." He looked around at his cheerful friends and smiled. That's the power of healthy food, sharing, and working together. Everyone clinked their spoons and cheered, "Healthy soup is super soup." The laughter and warmth of their friendship filled the cozy kitchen as the forest outside listened in delight. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.